I hope all of you are doing well today. For today's video, I've got some data entry work from home job opportunities to share with you. The first job is with Mike Freeman Chevrolet, and they're looking for someone to fill the remote data entry position. For this job, you will create or update records with new files and information, input paperwork into an electronic database, ensure that sensitive information is safeguarded. You will update records with new information and input paperwork into an electronic database. Regarding the qualifications for this job, you must have good command of English, both oral and written, incredible patience to file correctly. You must be able to stay organized. You must have good knowledge of Microsoft Office. You must be able to work independently. You must have great time management skills and a high school diploma or something equivalent to that. This is a full-time position. Before I continue with the rest of this video, I just want to take a quick moment and talk about my review guide called Resume Review Guide, the critical steps you need to take before you send in your resume. In my review guide, I share in great detail things such as the important information you should include in your resume and also what you should avoid doing with your resume. The steps I share in my review guide are steps that I take myself, and as you can see here, these steps have led to me getting job interviews. If you're someone who has had difficulty finding work, then I recommend that you get my resume review guide. If you decide to get my review guide, I believe that you'll have the information you need to create a resume that will eventually lead to you getting job interviews. If you're interested in getting it, you can click on the link for it, which is in this video. The next job is with Smartway Energy Ltd, and they're looking for a data entry clerk. The key responsibilities for this job are to input, verify, and update large volumes of data into internal databases and systems, to review and validate information for accuracy and completeness, to maintain electronic records and organize digital files efficiently, to identify and correct data discrepancies or errors promptly, to generate reports and assist with administrative tasks as needed, to collaborate with various departments to ensure data accuracy and consistency, and to adhere to company policies regarding data protection and confidentiality. Regarding the requirements for this job, previous experience in data entry, administration, or a similar role is preferred. You must have excellent typing skills with a high level of accuracy and attention to detail. You must have proficiency in Microsoft Office applications, particularly Excel and Word. You must have strong organizational and time management skills with the ability to meet deadlines. You must have good communication skills and the ability to work independently and as part of a team. And familiarity with database management systems is advantageous. This job comes with great benefits. These benefits are opportunities for career growth and professional development, supportive and inclusive working environment, paid annual leave and statutory benefits, employee assistance and well-being programs, and flexible working arrangements where applicable. This is a full-time position. The next job is with Invicta Software, and they're looking for a data entry email processor. The responsibilities for this job are to review and process large volumes of emails, extracting required information efficiently and accurately, to enter data into internal databases, spreadsheets, or software platforms following company guidelines, to verify data accuracy and resolve discrepancies as they arise, to maintain organized records of processed emails and data entries for audit and reporting purposes, to collaborate with team members to ensure smooth workflow and timely completion of tasks, to identify process improvements and communicate suggestions to management, and to adhere to company policies regarding data privacy and confidentiality. Regarding the requirements for this job, you must have proven experience in data entry, email processing, or a related administrative role. You must have strong attention to detail with excellent organizational skills. You must have proficiency in using email clients, for example, like Outlook and Gmail, and data entry software. You must have basic knowledge of Microsoft Office Suite, especially Excel. You must be able to manage multiple tasks and meet deadlines in a fast-paced environment. You must have excellent communication skills, both written and verbal. And you must have a high level of discretion and commitment to maintaining confidentiality. Regarding the qualifications for this job, you must have a high school diploma or something equivalent to that. Associate's degree or higher is preferred. Previous experience in a data-centric or administrative role is highly desirable. And familiarity with CRM or database management systems is a plus. This job comes with great benefits. These benefits are a competitive salary with performance-based incentives, comprehensive health, dental, and vision insurance plans, opportunities for professional development and career growth. You'll be part of a supportive and collaborative work environment, and flexible work arrangements, and paid time off. This is a full-time position with a salary range from $51,000 to $65,500 a year. The next job is with PlayOn and looking for a district data entry specialist. They are seeking a detailed, oriented, and reliable district data entry specialist to join their team on a part-time basis for 27.5 hours per week, Monday through Friday. Shifts are 5.5 paid hours per day, plus a 30-minute unpaid lunch, and are assigned within the window of 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Specific shift times may vary by assignment. For this job, you will create events manually in GoFan HQ based on specifications provided by schools via a customer success and support teams. Process bulk event uploads via a CSV import when applicable. Validate all event detail. This includes dates, times, sport or activity type, ticketing structure, pricing, and event name against school requirements prior to submission. To correct and resubmit entries promptly based on feedback from internal teams. Self-review every entry for completeness and accuracy before finalizing. Adhere to established data entry standards and formatting guidelines. Identify and resolve discrepancies or gaps in request information before proceeding with entry. Monitor and manage an ongoing queue of incoming event entry requests throughout the workday. Communicate promptly with customer service and support teams when requests are unclear or missing required details. Prioritize same-day processing to ensure school events are live when needed. To maintain a daily log of completed entries and open requests. And proactively surface any backlog risks or volume spikes to your supervisor. To thrive in this role, you have exceptional accuracy in data entry with a zero-tolerance mindset for errors that impact school revenue or community events, consistent quality, and care even across high-volume, repetitive tasks. You're able to manage a queue of incoming requests and process them in a timely, systematic manner. You must be self-directed with strong time management skills to work independently within a defined part-time schedule. You must be comfortable working in web-based platforms. Prior experience with GoFan HQ or similar event management tools is a plus. Familiarity with CSV file preparation and data import processes is preferred. You must have proficiency in Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel for organizing and formatting data. You must have comfort using AI tools, for example, like ChatGPT, Claude, or something similar, to efficiently interpret and process complex or inconsistently formatted schedules arriving from schools. You must have clear, timely written communication with internal teams when clarification is needed on a request. And you must be comfortable asking questions rather than making assumptions, because accuracy always comes first. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Just press that subscribe button below this video. That way, when I put out content in the future, you won't miss out on any of it. So please remember to subscribe. As always, I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank you for listening. I hope that you have a blessed, wonderful day.